Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my video. This is today's question, integral of a fraction with square root at the denominators. Not a difficult question, but we make it more interesting by set the condition that not allowed to rationalize the square roots. Meaning that we must not manipulate the equation to bring up the square roots from denominator to numerator. First step, let's factor out a square root of x from the square root of x power 2 minus x power 3. We can see that the denominator can be factored again, become 1 plus square root of x multiply square root of x minus x power 2. Let's do substitution. Define square root of x equals to sine u or x equals to sine square u. Differentiate, we get dx equals to 2 cosine u and then sine u. Meanwhile, u equals to inverse sine square root of x. When x equals to 1, u equals to inverse sine 1, which is equals to pi divided by 2. When x equals to 0, u equals to inverse sine 0, which is equal to 0. Also, 1 plus square root of x equals to 1 plus sine u. Meanwhile, square root of x minus x squared become square root of sine power 2u minus sine power 4u, which is sine u multiplied cosine u. And then we put everything back to q. We notice that cosine u, sine u's are cancelled. Now we have a simplified q equals to integral 0 to pi divided by 2, 2 divided by 1 plus sine u du. Here, we purposely include the new terms, which is multiply 1 minus sine u divided by 1 minus sine u. Q become 2 multiply integral 0 to pi divided by 2, 1 minus sine u divided by 1 minus sine power 2u du. Obviously, the denominator is equals to cosine square u. We can split the integram become two parts, both with the same constant 2 and the same integration bound. Part number 1 is secant square u minus the part number 2, which is secant u tangent u. This is a good news because both are integrable. Integral secant square u become tangent u, while integral secant u tangent u become secant u. We need to be careful not to put pi divided by 2 into secant u because it becomes infinity. Q should be write as 2 multiply limits u approaching pi divided by 2 for tangent u minus secant u, minus tangent 0 and minus negative secant 0. Now we focus on solving the limits. It can be rewrite as limit u approaching pi divided by 2, sine u minus 1 and then divide by cosine u, which is equals to 0 divided by 0. Apply L'Hopital rules. L become limits u approaching pi divided by 2, cosine u divided by negative sine u, which is equals to 0. So Q become 2 and then multiplying 0 minus 0 plus 1. Okay, we are now in the conclusion of this video. The final answer of this question is equals to 2. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Please continue support, subscribe, give a like and share my video with others. See you tomorrow for new video. Bye bye.